Today I want to do an unboxing with you for a package that I was really excited to receive. My youngest sister and I do a daily Bible study together, but recently we've been discussing about how we need something a little bit different for our Sunday studies. We need something a little bit shorter, and we really wanted something with a weekly Bible verse. So we got on christianbook.com and we started browsing through the different materials available. Now, as you guys know from my channel, I do have a background in education, both private and public, and I've also worked in several churches. So I was aware of the Abeka curriculum, and I knew that they also sold separate Bible curriculum. I have taught the children's curriculum, and I do like it, but I also knew that they sold an adult version of this curriculum. So we did a little investigation. We found the adult curriculum, what it was called. We looked at the samples, and we decided to order it and give it a try. Now, we didn't order all the pieces because it can add up and it can be expensive. So we ordered 3 of the pieces, and so we're going to open that up now together, see the 3 pieces that we ordered, and what we think of it. And I am really excited about it. So first we have our book here, and the adult curriculum starts with the Jesus Early Ministry. This is the teacher's guide, Jesus Early Ministry. It is called the Joy Life Bible Study Program. And we do plan, if we like it, to go through like the early ministry and then just go through it in order and try all of them. So we have a quarter overview, and it looks like there's 13 lessons, so it'll last us for 13 weeks. And each week does have a key verse for it, so we plan on memorizing, of course, each verse per week, which again was something we were really looking for, was something that had a Bible verse per week. Oh, I like this. So it has, at the top, it has teacher preparation. It has our objectives, so it tells us what we're going to be learning about. We did not buy the visuals, but it tells us what the visuals are. Like the 4 portraits of Christ, the map, the key verse, Trinity of God. I like how it is split up here. So it has like Messiah's coming foretold, and it goes over it. And then 4 Gospels of Christ goes over that. So I like how it's sectioned up here. So what we will probably do is, because I only bought one of these teacher books, one of us will read from the teacher book. I'll probably read from the teacher book, and then one of us will read directly from the Bible. Over here it has a picture of like the visuals to the sides, and again, the visuals is one thing I did not purchase this time around. It might be something that we purchased for another one. And then right here is a visual of the Trinity of God. Right here is a visual of the map. The key verse is there. And down here is a scripture to be read before the next study. It looks like it's going to be the perfect length for a Sunday in between church services. I wanted to look at 13 because 13 says a review. Review of the study of Jesus' early ministry. So it kind of looks like there'll be 12 weeks for us on here. So it looks like it will be a 12-week study actually, which is fine, perfectly fine. Since I will probably be keeping the book, and I will just look at the scripture passages from here to read. I've got the little handouts, and then my sister can take one handout per week. She can take it home. She can read the scripture passages and then read through the handout. And then also it has the visuals here. So that's good. I'm happy that we will be able to see some of the visuals, even though that's not necessarily something that I purchased. Good, I like that. And then our third item that I purchased the scripture memory verses. I did want to get these because I'm a visual learner. which is amazing. I didn't buy the visuals, right? But I wanted to get these just to help us learn. So, I beseech you, therefore, brethren, by the mercies of God, that ye present your bodies a living sacrifice, holy, acceptable unto God, which is your reasonable service. So, what I'll do is I'll put these on the refrigerator. It looks like several of them we've already pretty much know, so it'll be kind of a refresher in this first batch, thankfully. But they'll be on the refrigerator as we come in. We'll be able to just say them every single day, quiz each other on them, and just right there in our face to be able to say to each other. So I am very, very excited about this, to get started, to get going on our Sunday studies. This seems like the perfect addition to our Sunday learning. I've always enjoyed the Abeka curriculum, and it looks like this is going to be another great resource. I am very much looking forward to getting started. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will try to get a video out on what my sister and I have been able to study so far this year during our daily Bible studies. You guys have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye!